Well, Dad, here's what we're doing. Going in the red car? With the scarecrow or the green car?
The red car. Grab that and put it down.
How am I supposed to put it down?
There's a scarecrow in here too.
Can you get the door and go in? Is that where you want to sit?
Yeah.
That's going to be nice and comfortable banging knees with my wife. Show you more in a minute.
Hello, everybody.
Look at her beautiful hair. There's the harbor. It's a little rainy, probably hard to see. That's the visitor center. You can't really see it too well, but I can see her pretty good. Let me show you the train.
That was one of the easier projects he's done, actually.
I don't know, I'm just showing my dad because he never goes anywhere. He's older than dirt. They do have like old luggage and stuff. I'm sure you rode on one of these. And then they have one open air car that's very moist that we are not on. We only have one umbrella. That's the Ocean Gateway. That, of course, is the ocean then, and there's Portland, Dad.
Find Tim. Tim is our trainman. Now you see, Alex can't see the back of the train. He can't see the tracks. How's that make you feel? So we're going to make sure that there's a set of eyes back there in case anything is in the way.
I want to be in the back.
If we have to come to a complete or abrupt stop, we ask that you remain seated in case we do stop quickly because we don't want anyone to be injured. My name's Catherine. I'm your conductor, but on this trip I'll be your narrator as well. You're riding on tracks that are 2 feet wide. The cars or coaches are 6 feet wide. If you feel as though you're riding on air, you are. You're overhanging the tracks by 2 feet on either side. You might notice some rocking back and forth as we travel. That's not because the cars are old, although they are. Anywhere from 70 to 130 years old. No, it's actually because the cars are designed to do that. The trucks or wheel sets are right under that center aisle. That makes it possible for the coaches to rock around tight corners on rivers, lakes, streams, mountains, wooded areas, anywhere that the larger trains could not or would not go. They were never designed to be in a city. So why are we in a city? Well, we weren't here until 1993.
I see that.
What do you think of the pooping stool, Dad? You're 6'4". I wonder if you ever had to sit all the way down there on one of them. Now, why did he have to back up to get water? Yeah. Why?
Because they needed to run the engine.
For what?
For the steam.
Yep. Wanted to make sure you know it was a steam engine. perfect going backwards.
I know.
Hmm?
I know.
The hell are those? See all them? Walk right up there on that point, see it? I used my jacket and it came out superbly clear. What?
I got the
Switch. You have another side. I'll pull that up. He's just a heavy mouth breather. I mean, look. Somebody's out there sailing.
Oh my God, are you serious?
They're sailing today. Get some, dude.
Look at the beach. Look at the beach.
Get some. He's out there sailing. But he just took right off like a rocket, didn't he? See that? There's another sailboat. It's a little choppy, I think.
You see that boat?
Yeah. That's what I was getting at. I could see it.
How was he sitting on that boat? How was he sitting on that boat?
So we are slowing down a bit. There's nothing wrong. We're just coming to a roadway. And anytime that we cross a shared roadway, the train has the right-of-way. But we do need to alert motorists and pedestrians that the train's coming. So we placed a human, that's Tim, with a red flag right in the middle of the road, just to make sure that there's an easy passage for the train.
Did they at least give Tim some hot
We
chocolate or
won't stop
something?
here on the way back. The train
Poor Tim. That's bullshit. Nobody.
Queen signal.
What do you got? Draw straws for who's stuck being Tim for the day? What do you think of that, honey? Huh? You want to come down and see it before you leave? You're not ready for dinner right yet anyway, are you? Didn't you plan on eating dinner here before we went home? More sailboats out there tied up to the buoys. You want your own choo-choo now?
I like it.
You do? It's not nearly the same as the one that I rode as a kid from Tennessee and Florida to New York. Not the same. No. No. There was no cars on the side highways keeping up with the train. At that point, I remember as a little kid thinking I've never gone this fast in my life. And it was. Yeah. You love the ocean. Jesus Christ. Ocean's completely covered with the most deadly element on the planet. Water. Fresh water is way better. Which one would you rather swim in? Which one do you eat the most fish out of? You're just talking about lobster. So there's a whole slew of them right out there that just retreated when you got into town. Like when Luke was coming into port and Darth Vader knew he was there. You are the only natural enemy of the lobster. There's the track splits.
We are coming to the end of our journey. We'll be here for about 10 minutes if you'd like to get off the train, visit the engine, or go to the end of the track and find out why we really stopped.
You want to do
Because by
that?
the end of the track, I mean the end of the track. It's not necessary to get off, but if you'd like to, you certainly can. It's only kind of raining. I guess we'll call it. That's my weather forecast.
Did she say it's kind of raining? She's a sick people. Am I grabbing your umbrella? This fucking thing is. I'm just gonna leave my drink right there.
What if we get back on the wrong train?
If we,
Don't get back on
it's not 90 cars.
What if we get back on the wrong
It's not like it was when I was a kid where you could get back on the wrong one. It's. You guys really? Nobody's gonna go see the end?
We're getting off. I think it's just going to be max, literally end.
Don't get on the wrong one. Apparently my wife says that's a no-no.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I always do. There you go, baby. Oh, you can't hold my hand. You can?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're on the 4th one.
Yep, the track's literally end.
Let's go 100 more feet. Huh? Come over here, honey. By the ocean. Where you like it.
Oh, look at that. Look at it.
I see it. I've seen it.
The railroad track just stopped.
This one's still here.
Oh, good job. Watch where we go.
I don't think we want to go a whole lot further. This is probably why the train has stopped. I'm getting wet. Are you coming, baby, with your umbrella?
Wind almost took it away.
What do you think?
Wow.
You ready to go back up?
Yep.
Oh, really? Stop. Anybody? Honey.
Yep. Fix it on the train.
It's still running.
Oh.
You want to walk up through? You can't get on the caboose here. You're the woman. Can you get on right there? Must have been for kids. There's a really cool bench seat over here, honey. Come here. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
That's for the good kids. Right up there sitting. This is for the bad kids. Cupboards. Old sliding doors, everything.
I understand that, but why would we walk in the rain if we could walk?
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
All right. I just thought she was confused.
Yeah, we get this. Now we gotta go back to the end so we can see more.
It's wet.
What's good? You found an umbrella.
She broke it. She broke it immediately. It's my wife.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Well, that one's got a wood stove in it. Hey, folks. I'm coming, hold on. I'm following you. This one's it, Barbara.
Did you fix it?
I did not get any video of the steam engine that's pulling that train. Even though it's windy and holy shit, I'm going back over. Nice day to not wear boots. Just stepped in a puddle. He's gonna hook back up. Apparently at a good pace. I'll get up closer and get you a little more video, Dad. I'm putting these videos on YouTube. If anybody else watches them, they're gonna wonder why in the hell I say everything and talk to my dad. Do you guys get paid to do that and I gotta deal with crap? That looks so much fun. See you guys. You too. Oh, it's Vulcan. Vulcan and Wilkes-Barre. I've been through Wilkes-Barre quite often in PA.